Hello everyone, welcome to the programming session. Today we are going to have lot of fun with programming. We are going to use the Scratch Junior app for programming. You can download this app from Play Store. The icon of this app is given. I will also share the link of this app in the description box. Also you will get the link on Telegram. Now what is programming or a simple program? A program is a set of instructions which we give to execute any command. It means if you want to do any work, you will provide a set of instructions to complete that work. Now let us understand these things by doing practically. For that I am going to share my mobile screen with you to show you how it actually works. Let's start. I am starting the Scratch Junior from my mobile. So this is the Scratch Junior app. When you will download and open it, it will look like this. When you will download, it may ask for the basic information, that is your email ID or phone number. Just provide it and start with the app. Here we can see the home button. Click on it to start. After this, to start a new project, we have to click on the plus sign. A new project started. Let us understand the components which is present on the screen. First is your cat, that is your image. You are going to program this cat to move forward, backward, down and up. But in case you don't want this image, you can delete it also. For deleting and changing the image, you have to long press the cat and then your cross sign is coming. Press on that cross sign to delete it. To take the new image, on left hand side, can you see the plus sign? Yes, click on it. Here we can see the number of images present. Take any one. Suppose I am taking the rabbit. Click on this right button on the left hand side up to take it. Now you have successfully changed your image. Next, as the background is very plain, we want to change it. For changing the background, on the upside of the screen, you can see the image icon or the photo gallery icon. Click on it. You will able to see the different views or sceneries. Let me take this Savannah one. After taking it, click on this right button. The background got changed. Next thing is, if when we want to write any name or we want to give any name to our project, on the top of the screen the ABC icon is there. Just click on it and your mobile screen will pop up with this writing pad, and you can type anything. Suppose I am typing the standard 5 here. Done. Click on this arrow. Standard 5 came. You can give your name also here. After this, let us come to the block 1, programming blocks. Down bottom side you can see the blue color blocks, that is your programmable blocks. So first is going forward. For doing programming, you have to drag your blocks onto the programming area, which is down bottom line. So I am dragging the arrow block down here. See, you can see on my programming area I have dragged this block. After this, you want to check whether your block is working or not. So for that, just tap on that block. See, it is moving forward one step. Why it was moving only one step? Because see carefully on your arrow, it is written only one. So if you want to go multiple times forward, don't take forward blocks again and again. Just change the number, that is, click on this one and your number pad is coming on the right hand side. So you can change it to 3. Suppose I want to go 3 steps forward. Done. Now after going forward, we have to go up little. So I am dragging the up block and joining it. Downside of a block you can see the 1. It means it will go only one step down. Now after going up one step, let us come down with 2 steps. So I am taking it 2. Okay. So 2 step I came down. One more thing, if you are confused which block does what or what are the functions of block, what you can do, on this blue color panel, just long press this block and the name will come. See, if I am pressing this arrow, right one, it was coming move right. So if it is, I am pressing on this upper one, so it is coming move up. So by pressing on that block you can understand the function of that block. Now we have got the 3 blocks on our programming area. Let us execute. For executing the program you have to tap on your first block. So let me tap on first block. See, it went 3 steps ahead, went 1 step up and 2 steps down. After this, suppose you want to delete all these blocks what you have taken. Press these blocks and swipe it to the left hand side. See, it is deleting one by one. You have to just take it and drag it to the left hand side to delete it. The next blocks are taking a turn, right turn and left turn. So let us see how it takes a turn. Suppose go 1 step forward, then take a right turn. These turns also you can change. I am just taking one, you can also change and just tap on it and you can see it moved forward and took one turn. Children, here I have explained you only the basic blocks. You can explore more with different pictures, different backgrounds, and you can keep on writing the different things or different headings. Take different blocks, think of the different conditions and do programming. For example, I am just showing you one example. You can do by your own ideas whatever you want to do. I am trying to delete this. Okay, it got deleted. Now it is already tilted. So let us take a tilted one like go, come back. That is turn left. So it is more tilted, I mean. So let me take 2 time turn left. So that is I am changing the number to 2. Here it is executing. Let us delete this again. Okay, take this the right button as it is tilted. Then after tilting it, I want to change the number. I wanted to do it 2 times, so I am taking it 2 times. You can change the number also. Directly write the 2 or take 2 times. If it is more than 2 times, like 3 times you are doing the same thing, don't do it, just change the number. Okay, so after it I wanted to come back because it is already ahead. So come back, again come back, and then I wanted to go little up after coming back, then again go forward. Let us execute this program and see what happens. What you will do to execute, just tap on the block, first block. So I am tapping. See, it took a turn, it moved back, and it was so sudden. It was so quick. Let us do again. I'm clicking it again, the program. See, it happened. So these are very basic things, children. I hope you understood it and explore more ideas, explore more blocks in this blue color panel. Next time I will explain you the more complex options which is present in this app. Hope you understood and you will practice this programming at home. Thank you.